Hey there, it's Sabrina Moreland again, and this time I'm going to show you how to access the American National Biography online. If you want to expand your knowledge of your author or just get a better historical context of his or her life for your American Literature 2 class. So back on that page of English databases, and I'm just going to click on the link to the American National Biography. And when I do that, it brings up a very simple interface. And so I'm just going to use this search box here to search for James Fenimore Cooper. You could do an advanced search if you wanted to, but it's generally just fine to put in your author's name. So here we go. Putting in his name and hitting enter. And it doesn't bring up a ton of results. It depends on who you're searching. In this case, we just have an article and an image, and the article is here, and it has him labeled as a novelist. This is helpful, I think, if multiple people in history have the same name, and of course they've done different things. So we know this is the right guy. And so when I click on that link, I'm just given a lot of good information that's credible and reliable about Cooper. And at the very bottom, a lot of times they have see also links that are people related in somehow, and then related articles. So you could click on those, and scrolling back to the top, you could also get the PDF of this, which would provide page numbers. You can email it to yourself, and then there's also a citation tool for this database as well. So if you click on that little cite icon, you are going to want to change this to MLA, and here would be the citation you could copy and paste into your Works Cited page, making sure you're editing for make it accurate the way it's written. But you could also download it, I guess, to a Word document as well, and this would open a separate Word document. So very quick information on how to access this database. Again, this is if you want to take an historical perspective, because you're not likely to be just writing the biography of one of your authors. But if you have any questions about this database, don't hesitate to reach out. And thanks for listening.